Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with Sips By. So don't mind me, I just got out of the shower. It's a rainy day here in Pennsylvania, so I needed a relaxing shower after my workout. Anyway, so if you're not familiar with Sips By, this is a monthly tea subscription box. If you guys didn't know, last month my site broke. And that was kind of the focus, my main focus last month. So this is the April box. I'm late, and I will be doing their May one like in the next couple days. I'm trying to catch up here. So this is a monthly customized tea subscription box. Every box is customized for you. When you sign up with Sips By, you're going to take a little survey that kind of gauges your flavor profile, the things you like, the things you don't like, whether you like herbal, whether you don't like herbal. And then they send you 4 different teas. I think it's like 15 plus cups a month or something along those lines. It's $15. I will link down below to Sips By with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my full review on my blog, where we'll kind of go in depth and talk a little bit more. Yeah, so let's get in here. I love this one. I've been drinking a lot more tea lately, so I've been really going through these. All right, so this says April teas, and then on the back there is a little list of each of the teas. It tells you a little bit about the company, and then it tells you the caffeine level. I like to know that, obviously, because I don't want to drink caffeine at night. They do also have coupon codes on the website when you go to buy more of the tea if you want on the retailer's website. So that's a cool benefit. This is a great, what I would call a tea discovery box, because every month once you get the tea, what you like, you go on and you can kind of further refine your profile based on what you liked in your box. You can say, yeah, I like that. No, I didn't like that. And then they'll kind of give you, you know, better, more refined selections. Does that make sense? I hope so. All right, so let's get in here. We'll look at the card at the end. All right, so first up we have our little bag of disposable tea bags. Inside there are disposable tea bags because you do get loose leaf tea in here. And then this guy is also, you can use this. I use this for big batches of tea or for chicken stock. I've used it for my kombucha, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, those are super useful. All right, first up this is a new to me brand. This is Chez Lulu. This is a croque mbouche au chocolat. This is pure tea with chocolate flakes, white cocoa butter splits, cinnamon, apple bits, caramel bits, almond bits flavor, safflower petals, and it contains nuts and dairy. It does give you some steeping instructions. I'm going to go ahead and say this is at least medium to highly caffeine tea, and it is loose leaf. It doesn't say the size, but I'm going to guess it's about 1.5 ounces, maybe 2. All right, next up we have, this is from All Natural Olive Leaf Teas from Steep Echo. This is a new to me brand as well, and I love the packaging. Isn't that pretty? This is the Ascent caffeine-free tea. Ascent, a vibrant blend of immune-boosting olive leaf mingled with a slight bite of cinnamon. Smooth vanilla extract and sweet notes of monk fruit. A balanced yet lightly spiced flavor that brings a heightened awareness to the everyday. So in here you have olive leaf, vanilla bean, cinnamon, natural vanilla flavor, and natural monk fruit flavor. So there's that, and there are 4 of these bags. Bullymake Olive Orchards in Santa Barbara, California. I've never had olive leaf tea. I'm actually really excited to try that. I'm curious. All right, next up we have, this is from, look, it's made just for Sips By. Look, there's a Sips By box out there. Isn't that cute? This is from Steep Society, and the package is illustrated by Halber Mensch. This is a low caffeine tea. I'm just going to read the whole back because this is a cool thing, right? Dear tea lover, I started Sips By as a lonely tea enthusiast until I met Mel. We became tea BFFs at first sip, and today, thousands of tea sits later, we still love uncovering hidden gems from around the world together. Like, why do the trash guys have to be there now? Be gone. Welcome to the Steep Society, Stacy and Mel. Moroccan mint. In Morocco, mint tea is a traditional drink of friendship and hospitality. The Steep Society invites you to join us in sharing a cup of this fresh, bright blend with a sharp spearmint flavor. Add sugar for a sweet afternoon break, ideally shared with your best tea friends. So in here you have green tea and spearmint. So that'll be like a low caffeine, yes, an afternoon tea. All right. And again, that's loose leaf. All right, so finally, we have Rainy Day Tea Company. I've never heard of them either. These are all new brands, and I love this package. This is Lavender Earl Grey, so that's high caffeine. And it says, even when skies are gloomy, this special lavender Earl Grey blend has an enticing floral aroma guaranteed to brighten your day. Brew up a cup of this unique twist on a classic blend and read as you watch raindrops roll down your window. Inside you have black tea, lavender blossoms, natural flavor, and cornflower petals to give it a pretty look. So there's that. That's also loose leaf. So where did I put the slip? Ashley, what did you do? Oh, it's underneath. So anyway, let's look at our insert. Are they staying there extra long because they can hear me up here talking? Maybe, maybe not. All right, the Croque-Bouche au chocolat chez Lulu just says contains caffeine. This pure tea with cinnamon and chocolate is très délicieux. I don't speak French. With a perfectly delicate flavor reminiscent of the finest baked confection. So it is a sweeter tea. The Lavender Earl Grey has high caffeine. The Moroccan Mint contains caffeine. It's a low caffeine. And then the Ascent by Steep Echo is caffeine free, like I said. And then there are offers on all of these on the Sips By website, if you are a subscriber, obviously. So anyway, I love this box. If you're interested in tea, if you're interested in just trying out new flavors and like that kind of stuff, this is definitely a subscription box you're going to want to try. As always, like I said, I'll link down below, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time again. Bye.